Good morning, students. My name is Dipti Thakkar, and I am your English text teacher. Previously, we have heard two lessons. First one was the missing bag, and the second was the Gulliver a Little Book lesson. And now we have our fourth lesson, Street Games of India. As we know that we have played so many games in India as our home. So this time we will learn about different games. I hope you have not played before. This lesson is based on the different types of games, Goli, and Mushuli, Kabaddi, and Lattu. And the author of this lesson is Mulk Raj Anand. He wrote in 1905 to 2004. He wrote many of stories and essays. He was an Indian writer. He is very well known on the subjects of the children. So he wrote so many types of stories, and he was the first English novel he wrote in the India. And you will be able to notice that he used so many Hindi and Punjabi words in this lesson. So when I am going to teach you this lesson, you can heard so many words which is related to Punjabi and Hindi words. So you will be very surprised that English lesson has a different types of words which is related to different kinds of language. Okay, so let's start our lesson, the street games of India. For the name, we can know that the name of the lesson is also make us very interesting of this lesson because it's depend on the games. As we talk about in our childhood, we always played Goli and Musholi, Kabaddi and Lattu. These games have a different types of method to play. So let's start about this lesson. Excited talking and laughter, shouts of joy and discipline. These are the sounds of the streets of games of India. Whenever we play the games, we never use very sound and little words, and we always shout very loudly, we laugh loudly because that time we compete with each other. So we in the feeling that we can compete the other person and we can win the place. So in this the way, we always shouted loudly and cheer up. In this, author Mulk Raj Anand recalls all the games that he played in his young age. The author is mentioned all the games which he played in his young age, and that time he was very excited. He played many types of games. So in this lesson he mentioned these four games. Okay. In my interest in playing street games of began early, one of my earliest memory is playing the game of Holi. Now let's mention the first game is Holi. I know that you have played the game of Holi in your childhood and this time you also play. This game needs some marbles, so small marbles which are used in this game. This game is with place marble which is collected by breaking the neck of bottles or water soda bottles. You can use a little other marbles and some bottles marbles also. So the author is also mentioned in this lesson that we used soda water bottle and we broke the bottle and we made some marbles for the Goli. Sometimes we bought colorful marbles also. Maybe we went some market and we bought some colorful marbles for the game of Goli. Okay. To play the game, each player has have a Goli or a marble. Now this game has some tricks, methods and some materials. For the material, he brought some marbles to play this game. So in this game, each player, that means the game is playing the person, they have some of the marbles, maybe 4 or 5. So the player have different types of marbles. They can keep the same of marbles, same color or different. The little hole is dug into even ground. Now the player what they do? They hold the dug into the mud. They make a hole on the mud, and the hole is present that the marble should be go there. Each player then kneels on the ground 6 feet away of the hole. Now what they have to do? They have to 6 feet away. That means they have to far away. उनको दूर खड़ा होना है उस गोले से ताकि वो क्या कर सके उस गोल के अंदर उनकी जो मार्बल्स है कच्चे हैं उसको वो वहाँ पे डाल सके. Then their fingers describe their goalie. Now what they do? They make a marble put here and they strike and they make a mark over there and they put their marble on that place. So the person who put the first all his marbles, he won the match. Trying to get them into the hole. Now they are trying to get the whole marbles into the hole. They also try to strike the other player's goalie. Now what they are doing when they are striking their own marbles in the hole, in between they are trying to remove others goalies who are playing with the person out of the way of their own goalie. Now they are trying so nobody can come in the between of their way. So they are trying to remove other person's goalie and they put their goalie on that hole, or they use their goalie to push other goalies into the hole. And there is a other method. वो क्या करते हैं, या तो अपनी गोली को वो उस होल के अंदर डालते हैं या फिर जो उनके साथ में खेल रहा है उनकी जो मार्बल वहाँ पे है उस मार्बल को वो लोग उस होल के अंदर डालते हैं जिससे कि जो अदर पर्सन उनके साथ में है वो आउट हो जाए. So in this way they play a goalie. I hope you have played this type of game in your place. Shout of ah goalie mari. Now the word comes in Hindi. The word is ah goalie mari. That means वो हमेशा चिल्लाते हैं कि अरे गोली मारी गोली मारी. That means उन लोगों ने क्या किया, अपनी गोली को जिताने के लिए जो दूसरा पर्सन उनके साथ में था उसकी गोली को आउट किया. ओके, और इस तरीके से वो जोर से शाउट करते हैं आ गोली मारी. Can we have one success in striking others goalie out of the way? जब वो एक दूसरे की गोलियों को हटा देते हैं रास्ते में से तब वो इस तरीके से ही शाउट करते हैं. The player who gets all the goalie into the hole first, he is the winner. जो कोई भी पर्सन है, लाइक मैं हूँ और आप मेरे साथ में खेल रहे हो, तो अगर मैंने अपनी सारी गोली उस होल के अंदर डाल दी है और आप लोगों की कुछ गोली रह गई है तो आप लोग उस गेम में हार गए हो, मैं जीत गई क्योंकि मैंने सारी गोली जो है मेरी वो डाल दी है और साथ ही साथ मैंने जो मेरे साथ में खेल रहे थे उन सबको भी मैंने आउट कर दिया. So in this way the author Mulkraj Anand, he used to play this game with their friends. So when he was playing this game, his father did not like to use a waste of this time. So his father was very angry. He don't want that Mulkraj Anand, he played all the time this useless games on the street games. Okay, so the father, he always tried my luck at the game away. But the Mulkraj, he was very excited about this game, so he always tried to play this game with their friends. But his father don't like at all. However, I did not have the deft fingers need to be really good at the game. Now this game needs a different kinds of skills. Goalie needs a different kinds of skill. Your fingers must be very flexible so you can make a good mark on the hole. So now the author is mentioning that he has no skill to play this type of game. So always he try to win, but anyhow he always lose this type of game with their friends. So the often lost my goalies to the old players. Now the other players were very experienced. They have a very unique skills. So the other players who used to play with him, he always win, and the author always lose their place. It was not long before I moved to another game. Now he played goalie and we don't have any skills, so he moved on other game. The other game was his Aankh Micholi. That is called Aankh Micholi. It's a Hindi word. That means we have to put a one cloth on our eye and tie it, and the person will move around and then we have to touch the person. So second game we started to play Aankh Micholi. Okay. So the game I enjoyed the most was Aankh Micholi, or English name of this game is Blind Man's Buff. Now the author is saying he moved on the new game, which is Aankh Micholi, and he enjoyed a lot to play this game. In this game, one player covered his eyes with their hands or with a piece of cloth. Either you can close your eyes with your hands or you can use a cloth. The other side in different places and the blind man look for them. Who is blinded? The person. He find the other people and he will find the people, and if he touch the person is out. So he tried this and he is saying that he enjoyed a lot. The first time I played this game with my older cousin. Now he is mentioning that he's played with his friends and cousin also. So the older cousin was with him, with Mulraj Anand. So the Anand is saying that his cousin cheated. He cheated with Rajana. I peeped through my fingers to see where she had hidden herself. Now the cousin of Rajana, she hid herself in the behind the tree or under the bench somewhere. So he cheated. What he cheated? He just put his hands and he just opened his eyes and he peeped. Now I am peeping, like that means हम जब झांकते हैं किसी भी चीज में, लाइक कोई दरवाजा बंद है तो हम छोटे से होल में से झांक रहे हैं, या किसी चीज को हम ऊंचा करके देखते, लाइक मैंने अभी कुछ कपड़ा बांधा है तो मैं ऐसे ऊंचा करके देखती, दैट मीन्स पीक। तो जो बुक है वो मेंशन कर रहा है कि उसने चीटिंग किया है ना, और उसकी जो कजन थी वो छुपी हुई थी। He looked through fingers to see where she had hidden herself. कहाँ पे उसने अपनी कजन ने अपने आप को छुपा के रखा है, वो ट्राई कर रहा था देखने के लिए। Then I ran here and there pretending to look for her. Now he is saying that मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा था कि कहाँ पे छुपी है मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है ना, वो ऐसे एक्टिंग कर रहा था। बट उसने क्या कर रखा था, ऑलरेडी उसने ऐसे अपने आंखों से देख लिया था। When she nearly showed herself behind the charpai. Now the word is charpai. It is also a Hindi word. Okay, charpai means a palang. पलंग बेड बोलते हैं ना हम जिसको। अब यहाँ पे चारपाई जो है वो गांव जो विलेजेस है वहाँ पे यूज होता है, वहाँ पे पलंग नहीं बोलते, वहाँ पे गांव के अंदर जो पंजाब एरिया है ना, पंजाबी जहाँ पे रहते हैं वो लोग उसको चारपाई बोलते हैं, यानी चार पैर। अब हम देखेंगे हमारे जो बेड्स होते हैं उनमें 4 पैर होते हैं ना, 4 पैर होते हैं, दैट मीन्स उसको बोलते हैं चारपाई। और वो बहुत इजी होता है मूव करना, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल पतले डोरी से या रस्सी से बंधा होता है, फोल्डिंग होता है, तो वी कैन मूव एनीवेयर एनी प्लेस। सो जो चारपाई है वहाँ पे जो कजन है, ऑथर की कजन, वो छुपी हुई थी और ऑथर ने अपने हाथों से जो उन्होंने अपनी आंखों पे रखा हुआ था चुपके से देख लिया कि where she had hid herself. So that had been looking all over her. अब वो भी pretend कर रही थी कि अरे मैं तो सब जगह ढूंढ लिया, पेड़ के पीछे देख लिया, इस मकान के पीछे देख लिया, यहाँ पे टंकी है उसके पीछे देख लिया, मुझे तो तुम कहीं दिखी नहीं। बट उसको पता था कि वो कहाँ पे छुपी हुई है, behind the charpai. However, I grew up, I found that playing blind man's buff with a large group required more skill. Now this game is need more skill also. As previously, like Dori needs a different type of skill, in the same way, Aankh Micholi needs also a different types of skill. But it is very hard with play with large group, because in many people, like 15 or 20 people are playing this game, so we are very tired because we have to find each and every person and our eyes also closed. So it is quite difficult to find each and every person. For that we need a different type of skill. That means skill, we have a skill like hearing. We can predict the sound which comes from side, which side the sound is come. So we can make a prediction, the sound is come in my right hand side, so I can find the person who is coming from this side. So this type of skills need in this games. That's why the author is saying this is very quite difficult game to play in a group of people. So it's need more skills. So each one of so clever and hiding that blindfolded all over room without hearing the other sounds and but unable to touch anyone. Now, as I previously said, the game is need more skills. That's why they need a different kinds of skills of hearing. So you're not able to see, but you have a ability to listen the different sounds which comes in different ways in different sides. So this is the way in which the Mughal Rajanan used to play with his cousin and always trying to take a best position in the game. Sometimes the older boys use the game as a trick. Whenever the older boys don't want to play with the Mughal Rajanan, you don't want to involve him in their game. So what they used to, they always tie blindfolded the Mulk Rajanan and leave him. The Mulk Rajanan take a blindfold on his eyes and he always searching the other person. But the older boys, यानी कि जो बड़े बच्चे थे, वो लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता था कि कोई छोटे छोटे बच्चे हमारे साथ खेले आके, इसलिए वो लोग क्या करते थे, वो मुल्क राजान को आंखों में पट्टी बांध के उसको ब्राउन ब्राउन करके छोड़ देते थे और वो बेचारा बच्चा पूरा टाइम अकेला 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 उनको ढूंढता ही रहता था और जो ये गोल्डन बॉयज हैं वो लोग अपना दूसरा गेम दूसरी जगह स्टार्ट कर देते थे। इस तरीके से वो लोग इस तरीके से छोटे बच्चों को जिनको वो इन्वॉल्व नहीं करना चाहते थे गेम्स में, वो ऐसे ही करके उनको भगा देते थे। I remember trying many times when they did this. I enjoyed this game when I became older. Now it's mentioning कि वो जब मेरे साथ ऐसा करते थे तो मैं बहुत रोता था कि मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों करते हैं, मुझे हमेशा आंखों की पट्टी बांध के मुझे छोड़ देते हैं और वो लोग दूसरी जगह जाके गेम खेलने लग जाते हैं और मैं नहीं खेल पाता हूँ। बट वो कह रहे हैं कि जब मैं बड़ा हुआ तब मुझे ये गेम बहुत अच्छा लगने लग गया और मैंने इस गेम को बहुत इंजॉय किया क्योंकि इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा स्किल की जरूरत है, वो है हमारा हियरिंग साउंड जो हम डिफरेंट वे से सुन सके। बाकी और इसके अंदर इतनी ज़्यादा स्किल की जरूरत नहीं है, इसलिए वो इस गेम को उनकी जो चाइल्डहुड लाइफ थी उसके अंदर उन्होंने बहुत इंजॉय किया। सो राइट नाउ वी हैव लर्न टू टाइप्स ऑफ गेम, गोली एंड आंख मिचोली। सो रिमेंबर whenever you have a free time, so try to play this game, Goli and Aankh Micholi. You can play Aankh Micholi with your parents also. Right now we have lots of time, we are free, we all are at home. So you can play Aankh Micholi with your parents, your cousins and your grandparents too. So try this game and this one also, Goli. For this you need marbles. If you don't have marbles, you can make a paper balls and you can play this type of game at your home. So next lesson we will learn about Kabaddi and Lattu. So these two games will come in our next lesson. For today you have to search these two games on YouTube. You have a mobile phone and you can search this game on YouTube also. So you just type on YouTube Goli. So you can have a different types of skills you can learn on the Goli and Aankh Micholi. It's very simple game, so I don't think so you need any further things to take this game, but you can play this at home and this is also. So for this, this is a lesson about different street games of India. As we know that in India we have a huge place to play different kinds of games. So in past, present and future, always these games are very on the list. So nobody will very bored with this game. So you can play this type of games at your place. Even in out of the outdoor games, you